Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Welcome to my Patreon page. I just wanted to introduce myself and to give a little insight into what I will be offering as a reward if you choose to become my Patreon. So, as with a lot of artists, I've been drawing ever since I can remember. There's been little breaks here and there, but over the last 3 or so years I've been really committing to improving my artwork, and what I wanted to do is pass that back on to you. So I'm going to be creating videos that are in real time, so you can draw along with me and see exactly what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So I'm going to be doing complete voiceovers for these videos, and they could be sections of a piece that I'm working on, possibly focusing on eyes or fur or something like that, or it could be a bigger piece. The mediums that I'm going to be using are colour pencil, graphite and charcoal, watercolour, and I've just started using acrylics. It's been a massive learning curve for me, and I really want to pass that information that I've learnt back onto you, hoping to fast track your learning. So some of the videos are going to be, start to finish, showing you how I get my initial sketch down onto the paper, as well as following on through the process to the final piece. Other videos is going to be a small section of that finished piece, so it's going to be pretty varied. I'm also going to be showing you some behind the scenes of my studio, some of the materials that I use, and these videos are only going to be available to my patrons. I'm not going to show them on any other social media. I also wanted to build up a bit of a community. Being an artist can be quite a lonely profession, and so it would be really nice to support each other in our artistic journeys. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for even considering being a Patreon, so that I can continue doing what I love, what I'm passionate about, supporting my family, and then giving all of that information back to you in helpful hints and tips and tutorials. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye for now.